Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno4 Pro and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings and now let's scroll until you'll find language and region. Now let's tap on the second position, it's language, and as you can see here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. Now we've got English applied, it is marked. In order to change the language, simply find the one you want to use, for example maybe Italian, and tap on it, mark it, and tap on done right here. Now let's tap on change to Italian, and as you can see it is immediately applied and the whole system, the whole device will be in the chosen language. Let me get back to English, so let's get back to the languages, tap on English, mark it and set it. And as you can see it is also immediately changed, and from now on whole device and whole system will be in the English. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your OPPO Reno4 Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.